Hello everybody. So the plan for today is to level out these oak boards, finish up getting the oak boards at least against the back wall all the way across, and there's kind of a highlight thing. It's right there, you can't see it, it's turned away. It's a secret. But that is actually going to be right there where you see those layout lines right there. And again, like I said, over here, these boards are going to be leveled out with the use of my handy dandy Makita belt sander. So that's the plan for today. Enjoy the show. I got quite a bit done today. Got more floorboards installed. There's still a few more that have to be done over here. And I started on the sanding here, and I think I might have to use a different approach on that. I'm considering a couple of different things, but work will continue. So that's my episode for today. Hope you liked it. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Today's episode is brought to you by Lead Shed Production.